Alright, problem number 9. Mr. Glock's car broke down on the turnpike. Acme Towing charged $30 plus $3 per mile to tow the car. If Mr. Glock paid $117, how far was the car towed? So to find the variable x, I'm going to need to make this bigger. X would equal number of miles. How far, the number of miles. So let's see, he charged $30 plus, so 30 plus $3 per mile, so that's 3 per means multiply. My mile is x, so plus 3x. And the total cost was $117, so total shows me equal 117. Then I would solve by subtracting 30 on both sides. 3x would equal 87. Then divide by 3. X equals 29. So solution statement, the car was towed 29 miles. Alright, and then number 2. Barbie is thinking of a number. 20 less than 1/3 of the number is 72. Find Barbie's number. So Barbie's number is x, and that's what I'm going to write. X equals Barbie's number. And then my equation is 20 less than 1/3 of the number times of x is equal 72. And less than means I need to flip it, so I would write over here 1/3 x minus 20 equals 72. So to solve, I would add 20 to both sides. And I'd have 1/3 equals 92. Oh, sorry, 1/3 x equals 92. And then multiply by the reciprocal, 3 over 1, 3 over 1. Which means x would equal, this is a big number, 92 times 3. I get 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 9 is 27, 267. So Barbie's number is 267. Sorry, 276. Number 4. Grandpa Gump is 63 years old. His age is 2 years less than 5 times the age of Billy Grump. How old is Billy? Okay, so automatically I see how old is Billy. That's x. So x equals Billy's age. And let's go back. So Grandpa Gump is 63. That's important. His age is, so his age equals 2 years, 2, less than is minus, 5 times means multiply, the age of Billy Grump, well the age of Billy is x, and then I would need to flip it when I do less than, so 63 equals 5x minus 2, and that's what I'd write. $63 equals 5x minus 2. So now to solve, add 2 to both sides. I get 65 equals 5x, divide by 5, x equals 13, which means Billy's age is 13 years old. Number 6. A banana has 85 calories. This is 10 calories less than 1/8 of the calories of a banana split. How many calories are in a banana split? Okay, so calories in a banana split is x. Calories in a banana split split. So banana has 85. It equals 10 calories, so 10 less than minus 1/8 of is times calories of a banana split, and calories of a banana split is X. So I'd write 85 equals, flip the order because of less than, 1/8 times X minus 10. And I'm going to write that over here. 85 equals 1/8 X minus 10. And then I'm going to solve it. So draw a line. I'm going to add 10 to both sides. And I have 95 equals 1/8 X. To undo that, we have to multiply by the reciprocal of 8 over 1. 8 over 1. And this is kind of big. I get X equals whatever 95 times 8 is. I get 40, carry the 4, 72, 76, 760. So a banana split has 760 calories. All right, number 8. Pizzazz Publications is having some books printed. That told me nothing. The printer charges $800 plus $5 per book. How many books can be printed for $4,000? So how many books can be printed? That means X equals number of books. And let's check it out. Costs $800 plus adding $5 per multiplication. Book we said was X. And how many books can be printed for a total? A total is an equals $4,000. So I'm going to write that 800 plus 5x equals 4,000. I'm going to solve minus 800 minus 800. 5x equals 3,200. Divide by 5. X equals, let's see, 640. So the answer would be 640 books. Let's do that. 640 books can be printed for $4,000. There we go. Answer the question. All right, number 10 says, Rolex worked 40 hours last week. He had $74 deducted from his earnings for taxes. If he had $286 left after the deduction, how much does Rolex earn per hour? So, dollars per hour is X. X equals dollars per hour or money per hour. Okay, so let's look for that. See, he worked 40 hours last week and he was deducted $74. Well, 40 hours, there's my hours, and he worked 40 of them, so 40 X's, 40 hours. $74 is important, and it was deducted. Well, deducted means it was taken away, so we're going to subtract 74. And then after all that, he only had $286 left. So my equation would read 40x minus 74 equals 286. Let me make sure I wrote those numbers correct. Good. Okay, so here we go. To solve this problem, I'm going to add 74 on both sides. This goes away. I have 40x equals, let's see, 0, carry the 1, 15, 16, carry the 1, 360. And then I would divide by 40. And I'm actually going to have to do this out because I'm not sure off the top of my head. I know it's 0. So let's see. It would go 9 times. Which means, what's his name? Let's look. Rolex earns $9 per hour. So let's actually write that. Alex earns $9 an hour. And that's the end of homework.